Friends, hope you will be fine. Today we will study about enterprise application integration system. Now as we know that we have supply chain management that is used for managing suppliers, inventory and shipping. We have HRM, that is human resource management, for managing personals, training and recruiting talent. We have CRM, that is customer relationship management, for managing current and potential employees. We have BIS, that is business intelligence system, for finding the patterns for existing data from business operations. So all these systems are standalone and do not communicate with each other due to some problems. So in order to provide an efficient framework, or we can say that we can made a collection of technologies for this, we have used EAI, that is enterprise application integration. So in a short form we can say that enterprise application integration is an integration framework a middleware that is made of collection of technologies and services that allow a smooth integration of all such systems and applications throughout the enterprise. And enables data sharing and more automation of business processes. Now let us understand the most important characteristic of application integration in an enterprise, or we can say that enterprise application integration. So the characteristics of EAI is given by point number 1. Now EAI is defined as the unrestricted sharing of data and business processes among any connected applications and data sources in the enterprise. So in a short form we can say that it is used to provide communication between different systems and for sharing of data. Second point, it effectively allows the integration without any major changes to current structure. So its main motto is to provide integration without making any changes to the system structure. Third, now as we know that it is a middleware, so it uses application logic layers of different middleware systems as a building block. So in this, to provide integration to the various systems, the application logic means the source code logic is used. Now it also provides to keep track of information related to the operations of the enterprises, for example inventory, sales ledger, etc. So hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.